Okay guys, so a quick just how to join a live streamed class in Zoom if you are joining on a PC or a laptop. You are going to follow the link that I send out to you an hour before class, so please make sure you're booking on at least an hour in advance. And then when you follow the link, it's going to bring you here to join the meeting. Most important thing first off that I need you to do is just come down to this bottom left corner and choose Join Audio. Join with computer audio, and voila, you will be able to hear me, I'll be able to hear you. And then I just want you to be aware that you can mute or unmute back in this bottom left corner. I will mute you all once the class has started, but beforehand, so I can just check everyone's okay, I have you all unmuted, we can catch up, quick hello, make sure everyone's all right. Then I just need you to also make sure that your video is running, okay? So you've got your stop and start video at the bottom here. Okay, make sure that is up. I can see you. It doesn't matter if you're dancing with your pants on your head. Everyone else is going to have it so they can only see me. So whatever you do throughout the class, as long as I can see you, we're good. All right, then I just need you to come up the top. Here you've got some options. You need to pin me to your screen so I'm the only person that you see. It's just going to make it a lot easier for you to see what is going on. So in your gallery view, which is the view we're in at the moment where you'll be able to see everyone's video, just hover over where I am, click these top three little dots, go down to pin video, and it's going to make me nice and big on your screen. Okay. Otherwise, the other way to do it, if you are in speaker view, if you just hover over the top right here, you see where my cursor is, just up there. All right, put it into speaker view, which will take you to this view anyway. All right, it's currently pinned, so if I just unpin that quickly. So now because I am showing as a speaker on my tablet, which is staring at the side of my face, you can see that rather than me, which is the same case if anybody else was to be talking during the class. They shouldn't be because they're going to be muted, but this will happen at the start before I've muted everyone. So you can just come up here, find me, three little dots, pin video, and I'm back. Okay, if I'm already talking, just double click on me if you can see me, and that will pin me too. Other than that, guys, have a fantastic class. That's all you need to know. I'll unmute you all again when we have finished so we can have a catch up, find out how you got on. Speed and streaming quality will strongly depend on your own internet connection. I highly recommend joining using your internet connected by an Ethernet cable, which is a direct line to your broadband router, rather than using wireless. It is faster and it will give you a much stronger connection. If you can't do that though, just find a sweet spot in your house. We've got really good Wi-Fi and plenty of space to move around. All right, thanks guys.